So I'm doing a 2 3 minute video URL on the SLL3, and I wrote down the definitions and my artifacts on my phone. So for the student learning outcome 3, it says to understand and explain theory of plate tectonics, and then it says explain the fundamental differences between continents, ocean basins, and explain how ocean basins originate, develop, and are destroyed on the basins of plate tectonic models. So for this learning outcome, I decided to choose the assignment where we did Google Earth. It was the very first time we did it. So not only were we getting familiar um, with the plate tectonics and the basins, but we're also getting familiar with working with Google Earth, which I've never done before. And at first, I thought it was really confusing, and I got the hang of it. And using it made me see how much transfers or transforms, divergence, and it made a better understanding of what I learned. So for my SLL, I wrote in this assignment, we picked a location of our choosing, and we had to identify things like if it was divergent, convergent, or transform. And we had to identify if any special things happen there, like if volcanoes happen there, if earthquake happens there, like any of that kind of activity. And it helped us it familiarizes us better with different parts of our world's oceans and the differences of which each has. And then, like I said, we use Google Earth. So I believe that this assignment goes with my understanding and explaining of theory plate tectonics because I started dabbling into other locations and I looked at the difference between both plate tectonics on different locations, and then it just made me more familiar with like the differences, which is which. And the location I chose, I believe, it had more convergent boundaries than it did divergent, and it made me like realize, oh, like what's the difference, and that caused me to dabble into Google Earth on my own free time. So I feel like the student learning outcome, that's why that was my artifact.